The Defence and Security Equipment International Exhibition, which takes place at the London Docklands ExCeL Exhibition Centre from the 10th to the 13th of September, remains one of the world's leading tri-service defence exhibitions supported by the UK Government and Ministry of Defence. A full programme of conferences, exhibitions expect to welcome over 34,000 attendees, including 300 high-level speakers, which include government ministers, senior defence staff and leading industrial figures. The exhibition halls expect to welcome over 300 delegations, 2,700 VIP attendees from over 90 countries, with over 1,600 global defence and security exhibitors from over 69 countries, including over 40 international pavilions. The exhibition also features 5 key zones: air, land, naval, security and joint, all showcased in the latest equipment and systems. With its unique dockside position, ExCeL Centre provides access for up to 8 Royal Navy and international warships to tie up alongside, as well as providing an ideal location for the daily waterborne demonstrations and outdoor static display areas to showcase the latest equipment and technologies. IHS Janes will again be publishing the official and exclusive DSEI show daily. Jane's defence journalists, analysts and yearbook editors, including those from Jane's Defence Weekly, Jane's International Defence Review and Jane's Naval International, will be providing daily news, analysis reports and video on this important global defence exhibition and conference. DSEI 2019 is expected to be the most impressive yet, providing an international forum for both defence and industry, and providing a showcase for United Kingdom's defence and security industries supported by the UK Government and Ministry of Defence.